In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly transform a page on your Wix Studio site into a subpage. This can be a great way to organize your site more effectively and show a clear hierarchy to your visitors. Before we dive in, let's ensure you're logged into your Wix account and have your Wix Studio site open and ready to go. Now let's get started. Begin by directing your attention to the header of your Wix Studio interface and locate the menu. This menu is your gateway to customizing the various pages and elements of your website. Click on this menu to reveal a drop-down with several options. Select the one labeled Pages and Menu. This action will open up a list of all the pages currently available on your Wix site. From this list, you can view the structure of your site in a more visually organized manner. Now, the next step is to identify the specific page you wish to transform into a subpage. Take a moment to scroll through your list and locate this page. Perhaps it's a standalone page that would logically fit as a subsection under another, like a contact page, falling under a broader About Us section. Or maybe a gallery subpage under a projects page. Once you've found the page you want to rearrange, click and hold on to it. Remember, you don't need to click anything else, just a firm hold will do the trick. This is where the magic happens. Keeping your mouse held down, start to drag the page down the list and slightly towards the right. Pay close attention as you do this. You should see the page starting to indent, indicating that it's being positioned as a subpage under the page right above it. If you don't see it indenting, try moving it slightly further or a tad more to the right until you see that visual cue. The indentation is key as it not only shows the page's new role as a subpage, but also visually confirms the hierarchy you are building. Once you're satisfied with the placement, gently release your mouse button. Letting go at this point will finalize your action, adding the page as a subpage in its new home. Everything should adjust accordingly on your sitemap. Remember that organizing your pages in this way can lead to a cleaner, more intuitive navigation experience for your site visitors. It ensures that users can easily find related content without having to backtrack or sift through unrelated pages. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you've effectively enhanced your site's user experience, making it easier for visitors to navigate and understand the structure of your amazing content. Keep experimenting with your site layout and find what works best for your needs. Thanks for watching. And I hope you find this tutorial helpful for managing your Wix website.